Yeah, so my name's Steven. As you can see, I'm bald in a very specific way. It's very intentional. I just received my Superhairpieces Toupee, and this is an M110 BCS superfine welded monolace hairpiece with bleached knots in the front. I specifically sought out this model because it was 90% density, and that's kind of what I'm going for. I've only had one other Hairsystem in the past, and it was, I believe, 110% density, and it's far too dense for my age or kind of the look that I'm going for. So this is what I'm going with this time. So I'm really excited about this. But yeah, so I'm headed to my stylist right now, and we'll get some footage there. I've been using Hairsystems for only about a year now, and this is my second one. What I appreciate about it so far is not only the density, but the quality of hair. Feels far closer to what I had in my early 20s before I started balding. I also love the fact that it's a mono lace. My previous system, I felt like I wanted to take it off every night because my scalp felt like it couldn't breathe. I'm not experiencing that here. It's amazing. Mono lace is something that I plan on using in the future, or lace systems just in general from Superhairpieces. Other cool things is 100% real hair. They ship directly from North America. Mine arrived in roughly 3 to 4 days, so it was very, very quick. I had amazing support, reaching out via email. They also offer tech support and over the phone support, and they're very responsive. The coolest thing, arguably, because I've had my other system was a custom system, and it took 6 months to arrive. They offer a 3-month guarantee. So yeah, I love it. It's my favorite system, and here's the final product.